Alright. Take it around there and see if it'll fit in place and see what we think about it, and then maybe we'll come back and weld some things together there. Let's see. Bring y'all around here and let you sit on the table. Sometimes it might be a little hard for y'all to see because I'm in the shade and I'm putting y'all in the sun, but I don't know, maybe we can. We just do the best we can here. We're not professional or nothing. There's professionals out there, and we ain't want to. Oh well. That's hanging pretty close to right. It's going to be a little bit of a problem here because I want the tin to probably come out a little bit past that door. But it's hanging from the inside, and I don't want it hanging from the outside. I want to make it harder for somebody to stick a crowbar in there and prise on it. I think I can straighten that out later, or figure that out later. For now, though, I'm going to leave that. Later I'll do some welding, I think I will. But I'm going to come to the other side here. I'm going to hang that one up and consider what I want to do with it along those same sort of lines there. Yeah, that's what we'll do. Figure that out. And one of the problems that's going to be a little difficult is just getting them in place and out of place, especially where I'm making this one a little wider even still. But the good thing is I'm only going to have to do that like once or twice a year. The rest of the time they can sit over in the corner and not bother anybody. So I guess that'll be alright. I'm going to keep going toward where I'm going, and I might go and shed some more clothes and come back. Appreciate y'all hanging out with me. I'm sure there's better, more important things you could be doing than this, but here you are. So, you know, what can I say? Here you are. Love y'all, sure do.